Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn how to insert an image in your video clip. That is quite simple. Let's say this is the video clip which I already have in my timeline. I want to add a still image over here. What will I do? I will go to the import media and select an image here and open it. Now it is here. I can drag it down to the timeline like this. Hello friends, in today's video we will learn how to create YouTube. It is quite simple to add a still image in your video. I have created a playlist for Filmora in which we will study the basic video editing skills. I will share the link in the description and in the I button also. Check out that playlist. In the next video, we will learn how to remove a sound clip from a video in Filmora. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.